Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Duolingo. All right, let's start by opening up your Duolingo app. Now, once you're in here, just browse through these apps right here or icons. All right, now go ahead and tap on your profile. Tap on it. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on add friends. All right, tap on it. Now, in here, just tap on search by name. Tap on it. Now, here's the crucial part. You should have remembered the name of the particular person that you wanted to unblock. All right, let's say, for example, I have blocked a friend right here, which is named A. Then, after that, I'm just going to tap on the find icon right here. Tap on it. Now, this is the person. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, it will land this to the person's profile. All right, as you can see here, it is blocked, or the person is currently blocked. So what we're going to do to unblock them, let's just go ahead and scroll down all the way down until we find unblock user, which is right here at the very bottom. All right, just go ahead and tap on it. Now there will be a prompt, unblock this user. They will be able to follow you and see your profile. Now, if you're sure that you want to unblock them, just go ahead and tap on unblock right here. Tap on it. Now, as you can see, instead of unblock, you'll be able to find an unblock button. I'll go ahead and scroll up. All right, as you can see here, we are now be able to follow again. All right, I'm just going to hit on follow and we are now following. And that's basically how we do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.